Hello friends, today for your morning work I have a few things laid out for you. They are up here on the counter. So you are going to grab a list of words to cut out. You will grab a word sort page. You will grab one little baggie and you will grab a pair of scissors if you need them. What you're going to do is you're going to cut out your spelling words. You will then sort them into the correct category. Do they have a long I with just an I? Do they have a long I with a Y? Do they have a long I with an IGH? Or do they have a long I with an IE? Once you have sorted your cut out words, you will move the words one at a time out of the way and you will write the word in pencil in the correct category. You are not gluing these down. You will sort them where you think they go, and then you will move the little word out of the way and you will write it correctly spelled in the box. You'll turn in this paper when you're done. You will put your cutout words in a bag and you will put that bag in your take-home folder to practice your words at home.